In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change permissions on Messenger. First, open your device's Settings app. This is a crucial step as it is the gateway to all the settings and permissions on your device. On your screen, you will see various options listed. This may include options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and notifications. Tapping on the settings icon opens up a world of possibilities to customize your apps according to your preferences. Whether you are using an iPhone, iPad, or an Android device, getting to the Settings app is essential to managing your Messenger permissions. This sets the stage for further actions, ensuring you have full control over how Messenger interacts with your device. Once that is done, select Apps and then Messenger on Android, or go to Privacy and Security on iPhone or iPad. If you are on an Android device, navigating to the Apps section will display a list of all installed applications. Find Messenger in that list and tap on it. On an iPhone or iPad, heading to Privacy and Security will lead you to a variety of privacy options for apps. This step is vital because it directs you to the specific settings for Messenger. Here, you will be able to see all the permissions that Messenger currently has, allowing you to review and modify them as needed. Now, select the permission you want to change, such as camera, microphone, photos, contacts, or location. Each of these permissions controls a specific function of the Messenger app. For instance, if you wish to change camera access, tap on Camera. Similarly, if you want to adjust location tracking, select Location. Seeing these options on your screen allows you to make informed choices about what information you want to share with Messenger. This step matters because it helps ensure your privacy while using the app and allows you to customize your experience according to your needs. Next up, choose Allow or Don't Allow or another available access level. This is where you make the final decision regarding each permission. If you want Messenger to use the selected feature, tap Allow. If not, select Don't Allow. Depending on your device, you may see additional access levels such as Ask Every Time. This choice can be crucial for maintaining your privacy and security. Making the right selection here ensures that you have control over your data and how it is used, giving you peace of mind while using Messenger. At this point, please remember that turning off a permission may prevent related Messenger features such as voice calls, video calls, or photo sharing from working properly. Being aware of these consequences is important because it allows you to weigh the benefits against the potential limitations. If you want to keep using these features, consider keeping the permissions enabled. However, if privacy is your priority, you may choose to restrict access. With that ready, you are all set to customize Messenger permissions to fit your preferences. This process might seem simple, but it plays a significant role in how you interact with the app. Ensuring that Messenger has only the permissions you are comfortable with will enhance your overall experience. You can now use Messenger with greater confidence, knowing that you have taken steps to manage your privacy effectively. Thank you for following along and enjoy using Messenger on your terms.